Breaking news. Gojek exits. Vietnam. Gojek, the ride-hailing and food delivery platform based in Indonesia, has just announced its decision to say goodbye to the Vietnamese market. We have decided to cease operations in Vietnam, effective September 16th, a Gojek representative said in a statement. This is considered a strategic move to strengthen the company's business operations. Gojek has spent 7 years working with restaurant partners to develop and expand their business in Vietnam. According to a Gojek representative, this decision is in line with the long-term growth strategy of its parent company, GoTo Group, the largest technology company in Indonesia. Specifically, this is a strategic decision to allow the company to focus on activities that can make a significant and sustainable impact on the market, consistent with GoTo's commitment to achieving sustainable business growth over the long term. We would like to express our sincere and deep gratitude to all employees, users, driver partners, restaurant partners who have contributed and been an integral part of Gojek's business operations in Vietnam. We will provide necessary support to all affected parties throughout this transition, while complying with current regulations and laws, Gojek's leader shared. In Indonesia, GoTo has established itself as the national champion and the leading digital ecosystem in on-demand services, ODS, and financial technology through GoTo Financial. As Southeast Asia's largest market, Indonesia still has plenty of room for development and continued growth, requiring significant resource allocation. In the second quarter of this year, Gojek's gross transaction value, GTV, and number of completed orders increased by 18% and 24% year-on-year, respectively, reaching an all-time high. Similarly, in Singapore, Gojek also saw its market share increase by 3 percentage points in the first 6 months of the year. The Singapore market, known for its high average order value, AOV, continues to be a key market for GoTo. Gojek's decision to withdraw from the Vietnamese market reflects a broader trend in the industry as companies re-evaluate their market presence to optimize growth. Similar moves have also been seen in other companies such as Shopee, which has withdrawn from all European and Latin American markets except Brazil. Gojek, the Indonesian ride-hailing giant, entered the Vietnamese market in 2018. Gojek's goal was to replicate its resounding success in the Southeast Asian market. The company launched its service with a lot of fanfare. Vietnamese consumers welcomed the new player. Gojek has invested heavily in Vietnam, building a wide network of driver and restaurant partners. The company offered competitive prices and many attractive promotions. Gojek quickly gained a foothold in the competitive Vietnamese market. However, despite its efforts, Gojek still faced fierce competition. Grab and Bee, 2 local ride-hailing companies, already held significant market share. The Vietnamese market proved to be a tough challenge for Gojek to dominate. Gojek's withdrawal has had a significant impact on stakeholders. Thousands of drivers will lose their main source of income. Many restaurants rely on Gojek for delivery. The company's departure leaves a void in the market. Gojek is committed to supporting affected drivers and partners. The company offers severance packages and helps them find new opportunities. However, the sudden withdrawal has left many in a difficult situation. Consumers are also feeling the impact. Gojek's departure reduces competition in the market. This could lead to higher prices and fewer choices for consumers. Echoes of similar exits. Gojek's withdrawal from Vietnam is not an isolated case. The tech industry has witnessed a number of high-profile market exits in recent years. Uber's withdrawal from Southeast Asia in 2018 is a prime example. These exits highlight the challenges of expanding into new markets. Companies face intense competition, regulatory hurdles, and cultural differences. Entering new markets requires significant investment and a long-term vision. In some cases, companies underestimate the complexities of new markets. They may struggle to adapt their business models or attract local consumers. Exiting can be costly, both financially and reputationally. GoTo's strategic shift. Gojek's withdrawal from Vietnam is part of a broader strategic shift by its parent company, GoTo. GoTo, formed through the merger of Gojek and Tokopedia, is focusing on its core markets. The company aims to streamline operations and achieve profitability. Exiting less profitable markets, such as Vietnam, allows GoTo to allocate resources more efficiently. This strategy aims to strengthen GoTo's position in its core markets. GoTo remains a major player in Southeast Asia. The company continues to invest in innovation and expand its services. GoTo's focus on profitability reflects the maturing of the tech industry. The road ahead. Gojek's departure leaves a gap in the Vietnamese ride-hailing market. Grab and Be, the remaining major players, are now in a stronger position. However, new entrants or smaller players may emerge to fill the void. The Vietnamese government is likely to monitor the situation closely. Authorities will want to ensure fair competition and protect consumer interests. The ride-hailing market in Vietnam remains dynamic and growing. Gojek's exit is a reminder of the challenges and opportunities in the tech industry. Companies must adapt to changing market conditions and make strategic decisions to thrive. Gojek is not only present in Indonesia, but also expanding its market share in Singapore, where it witnessed a 3 percentage point increase in just the first 6 months of this year. With a high average order value, AOV, Singapore continues to be a key market for GoTo. Gojek launched in Vietnam in August 2018 under the brand name GoViet, initially offering 2 services: GoBike, motorbike ride-hailing, and GoSend, the delivery. Just 2 months later, Gojek expanded its service with GoFood, an online food delivery platform. However, in August 2020, the GoViet brand was abolished, and the company officially changed its name to Gojek Vietnam, with the drivers' uniforms and brand colors changing to green, black, and white, similar to the parent company. After this announcement from Gojek, the Vietnamese ride-hailing market will become a playing field for 3 main names: Grab, Zan HSM, and Be. The Vietnamese market will continue to be a hotbed for innovation and competition.